Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sheisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful coaster flower set, which is very easy. Even the beginner can crochet this pattern very easily. Here I have made 7 coasters and a pot as well. I have used here 2 colors of yarn, that is also 100% acrylic 5 ply yarn. You can use any type of yarn which has to be a little thicker, so it will come very nicely. If you are watching my tutorial for the first time, please subscribe my channel along with the bell icon. And if you want to see any other patterns, you can just visit my playlist. You will find many other patterns as well. So we'll start our project without further delay. So for this project I have taken here 2 colors of yarn just to show the sample. One is orange color and the other one is beige color. The hook size which I am going to use here is 3 mm, and we need to have the pairs of scissors and a sewing needle. We'll start this project with the magic ring. Let's make chain 3, yarn over. Into the circle we'll make double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we got here 12 double crochet stitches including these 3 chains. Let's close this and then into the 3rd chain, 1, 2, 3. Into the 3rd chain we'll insert the hook and then we'll make a slip stitch. This is our first round. Chain 1, 2, 3, second on, first double crochet, and into the same point we'll make 1 more double crochet. So we got here 2 double crochet stitches, and then into the next stitch 1, 2, 4 double crochets, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we are doing into each stitches 2 double crochet stitches. 23 and 24. Now let's do the slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 into the 3rd chain, insert the hook and make a slip stitch. This is our round 2. Chain 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch we'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. We got here 3 altogether. Next is the 4th one. Next one we'll do 1 increase, 5 and 6. So every second stitch will make an increase. 35 and 36. So we got here 36 double crochet stitches in the round 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the 3rd stitch we'll make the slip stitch. This is round 3. Now again 4th round, 1, 2, 3. Into the next stitch 1 double crochet. Insert under this 2 loop and then make 1 double crochet, 2. Next one, an increase, every 3rd stitch an increase, 2 4, and then next one is a single one 5, then single one 6, next one an increase 7 and 8, 47 and 48, 1 2 3 into the third stitch, make a slip stitch. So we got here 48 stitches, 1 2 3 4 in the fourth round. Now chain 1 2 3, went to the next stitch, 1 into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 into the next 3 and then 2, so 5. Next one 2 3 into the fourth stitch and increase. So we got here total 10 double crochet, 59 and 60. Into the third chain, we'll make a slip stitch. Now we got our coster. If we want to make it more bigger, you can do a next one. Here we made every third stitch, here we made every fourth stitch and increase. Next you have to do every fifth stitch and increase. Now let's snip off this yarn. And then we'll insert the thread into this stitch. I have taken the second color yarn. Let's make the slip knot. We'll start the pattern here, insert the hook into any stitch and then make one single crochet, chain 1 and 2, yarn over, keep this yarn like this, and under this into this same stitch we'll make one more double crochet and then make chain 1 2 3, yarn over, into the same we'll make 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, yarn over, skip these 3, 1 2 3 into the fourth stitch, again insert the hook, adjust the height, make 1 double crochet, and then yarn over into the same 1 double crochet, then 3 chain into the same, again 1 and the second double crochet, again 1 2 3 into the fourth stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 3 chain, 2 double crochet. So throughout this, let's make like this, skip 3 and then into the fourth, 2 double crochet, 3 chain and then 2 double crochet, You can crochet this within 15 minutes if you are the beginner. For me it took 10 to 15 minutes, you can say, to crochet this coster only. And then the pot we have to use the same pattern to crochet. I'll show you in this video. And then we'll do the slip stitch into the third chain of the first double crochet. So here the first round for the pattern is done. This is how it comes. Insert the hook into the next double crochet, make a slip stitch. Into this we'll make a single crochet, chain 1, 2, yarn over, into this 1 double crochet, 2, 3. So here, including these 3 chains, we got 4 double crochet stitches, chain 2, yarn over, again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll make here a single crochet and then yarn over into this 8 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, again 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here a single crochet, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 single crochet, 4 double crochet, 3, 4, 2 chain, 4 double crochet. And then unto the last we'll make 1 single crochet into this 1, 2, 3 into this point. We'll make 1 slip stitch. One chain, then we'll snip off this yarn. So here the coster is ready. Now let's see how to make this pot. I have used here this plastic container to keep inside so it will stand firm like this. So here I just made the coster, plain coster with 2, 4, 5 rows of this double crochet stitches. Now we are going to make the pot. I'll show you how to make, which is very easy. I used here the plastic container to keep inside, so if you wish to do that you can do it, so it will be standing firm. It will not just shrink, it will be firm. So I have taken the same coster and then we are going to, very easy, we'll make now 3 chain, yarn over into the back loop, insert the hook and make double crochet. Again into the back loop, into each stitch we'll make a double crochet, that into the back loop. inside the hook into this. So you will have here 2 loops into the hook, and then make a back loop, double crochet. So we'll have 60 double crochet stitches throughout this round. So here we got 60 double crochet stitches inside the hook into the first stitch, and then we'll make a slip stitch. So like this we'll be continuing into each stitch 60 double crochets until we get our desired height for this project. See here I have done 1 2 3 4 5 rows, and then we got here it is 12 24 36 48 60 double crochet stitches. Throughout this we have 60 double crochet stitches. So we'll continue, we'll make here 3 chain, and then into each stitches 1 double crochet. So this is how we have to do the pot for this coaster.